What's good, fam? Alright, what's good, everybody? It's your homeboy Majin Gio back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you the best shrimp recipe you'll ever make. It's simple, it's easy, it's good for movies, for what's it called, parties, whatever you want. It's good for eating, very good for eating. That's my personal favorite thing to do with it, is eat it. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, there it is. Alright, got my shrimp thawing right there. Frozen shrimp, I know, shell on. While we're waiting for that to thaw, I'm gonna show you how to make the batter and shit. Alright, for the batter and stuff, we're just gonna add some flour right here, like a good amount, because it's a lot of shrimp. Because we got that beautiful garlic powder, add a good amount, because you want it to be, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Salt. Pepper. Paprika. Now we whisk. Alright, next we're gonna do the liquid stuff. 3 eggs. In. No shells, please. Cause I'm a moron. But it's okay. Just in case. Salt. More pepper. Some parsley. Doesn't gotta be fresh. And some lemon. That's good. Whisk that shit. Few minutes since I put the shrimp in the water, so let's peel these now that they're raw and thaw. Once I peel those, I'll put them in the egg mixture, and then I'll put in the flour, and then I'll put them on a tray. Put them in the fridge. So I'm gonna show you how to peel the shrimp. You just take one, do something like this. Got these flaps right here. Oh, it's not focusing. There. So then, yeah, you take out the flaps like this, pull this, and just squeeze the tail. There you go, you got your shrimp right here. So that's one. Let's do some more. Huh, this one cooked a little bit, a little pink. Right, so the shrimp is peeled now. Now we just gotta mix this, mix. Make sure you wash your hand before this. Now let it sit for like 5 minutes, just so it gets all that stuff in it. Okay, 5 minutes up. Now we're gonna take this, throw it in there, pack it nice and good, just like that, and then we're gonna throw that right there. This, bada bing, bada boom. So as soon as you see a tree pop up on the screen, you're gonna see this whole tray. It's gonna be full of shrimp. Watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. Where is, oh, there it is. Look at that shrimp. Nice and coated. Alright, so now we're gonna throw this in the fridge, because I don't want to cook it right now, but if you wanted to cook it right now, then you could. Oh, hi. And now we're gonna cook whenever I feel like it, so yeah. I'll come back to you when I start frying. Alright, we're back. I changed to white tea so I don't get any stains on my other shirt. But yeah, I got the oil cooking on high. Actually, I'll probably do a low so it doesn't burn. I got the shrimp right here, and then I'm about to get another tray right there so I can put the cooked shrimp on. Alright, can we get a true moment of silence for this? Sweet. These are probably gonna take about like a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3, maybe 4 minutes. Frying. That's definitely ready. Oh, good. Hear that? That's the sound of crispy shrimp. Man, look at that beauty. Alright, I'm hoping to hear that crunch, so. Okay, I heard the crunch. Alright, that's really good. I'm going to end the video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share. I hope you guys try this recipe. because I really like it a lot, and I think other people will like it once they try it. But yeah, until next time, peace.